Hi everybody. Today I'll show you how to turn off Google Gemini on Android. So let's just begin. Alright, to turn off Google Gemini on Android, the first thing that you can do is basically uninstall the Google Gemini. We're gonna tap on OK. So we have successfully uninstalled Google Gemini. Even after that, if I just hold my power button, you will be able to see the Google Gemini. So how can we turn this off completely? We have to actually go to the settings. Now we have to tap on it. So now in the settings, I have to scroll down. Now you will be able to see the option of system. So in system, I have to tap on press and hold power button option. So right now, when I press and hold the power button, I'm still able to access the Gemini, as you can see here. But if I just change this to the power menus, now we won't be able to access the Gemini from that point. So that is the one thing. And now we have to go back. And even after that, if I search Gemini in the setting, you will be able to see Gemini settings here. So it simply means that we still have the Gemini here. Actually, Gemini is also the part of Google app. So what we have to do now, we need to disable every possible option that we can see in the Gemini settings in Google app. So for example, I can disable this. And if I tap on screen context, I can disable these options. And I'm going to tap on default digital assistant app. So by default, we have the Google. So if you want to change that, you can change that. But if you don't want to have anyone, you can simply tap on none. And now we won't have any digital assistant here. So now we're going to go back. And now if I just scroll down, you can also see the option of Gemini on the lock screen. We can tap on that. I can disable the Gemini from here as well. Let's just go back now. And similarly, we have Google Assistant features in Gemini. We can tap on that. And we can also disable this from here. And after that, we have to go back. Lastly, what we can do, we can tap on digital assistants from Google. So from here, we can go back to the Google Assistant rather on Gemini. If you want to turn off the Gemini on Android, so just tap on switch. Now, when you're going to go back, now if I tap on Gemini settings again, you can see that now we don't see the settings of Gemini, which simply means that we have successfully turned off Google Gemini on our Android. And if I press and hold the power button, you'll be able to see the option of power menus. So this is how we can turn off Google Gemini on Android. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.